good. Mashallah, mashallah. Read it again.
Za- Dal. Zal.
Okay, good.
Dal. Zal.
Okay, you have to read at least 3 times long, okay? Like dal,
Dal.
dal.
Zal.
Okay, good. Again from Alif.
Alif. Ba. Da. Da. Jim. Ha. Ho.
Look at this. What is this letter? This is dal.
Dal. Zal.
Okay, good. And this letter Jim. Jim is also 5 times long, okay? So read like Jim.
Jim.
Okay, now from here again.
Alif. Ba. Da. 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 Jim. Ha. Ho. Dal. Zal.
Okay, good. Now read these 2 letters again and again.
Dal. Zal. Dal. Zal. Dal. Zal.
Okay, read
Dal.
zal softly. Okay, like zal, not zal. Okay.